선생님부터 가보신 거야.
그래도 내가 패를 펌프하고 풀어놓고.
The simulation you're watching is as the helicopter is falling from the sea, either a maritime survivor or a downed aviator. The rescue swimmer is in the water now from the helicopter, swam to the survivor. Once he's prepared the victim, he'll give the signal for the helicopter to move in for pickup. They'll recover the survivor using a rescue basket, which is the primary method of hoisting survivors. The flight mechanic is directing the aircraft with the pilots complying with his or her directions. Another method for recovering a survivor is the direct deployment method. This is used when the time is critical and to minimize the risk to the rescue swimmer and the survivor. And ladies and gentlemen, once again, as we return to the action in the water right now, this demonstration is presented in a format intended to provide some entertainment. But please make no mistake, this state-of-the-art equipment is operated by highly trained, truly dedicated professionals who take their work seriously.
분이 주던 치러크 더라.
The Coast Guard's roots lie in the Revenue Cutter Service, which was founded on August 4th, 1790, as part of the Department of the Treasury. An act of the U.S. Congress created the Coast Guard in 1915 with the merger of the Revenue Cutter Service in the United States Life Saving.